Good morning, Max. It is very early today.
Good morning, Anna. I am very sleepy now.
The air is fresh. It is perfect for running.
My running shoes are new. They feel very good.
We must stretch first. Move your arms and legs.
I am stretching slowly. My muscles are very tight.
Look at the sun. It is a beautiful morning.
The park is empty. We are the first here.
Let us start slowly. Just a very light jog.
I am jogging now. My heart is beating fast.
Breathe through your nose. Keep a steady rhythm, Max.
I am breathing deeply. The air is cold here.
Running gives you energy. You will feel great later.
How long is the path? Is it very long?
It is 2 kilometers. We can do it easily.
2 kilometers sounds hard. I am not a runner.
You are a runner today. Just follow my steps.
I am watching your shoes. You have good form.
Keep your back straight. Do not look at feet.
I am looking forward. I see some green trees.
The birds are singing. It is like a concert.
I am sweating already. My face is very warm.
Sweating is very healthy. It cleans your skin, Max.
Can we go faster? I feel a little speed.
No, stay slow now. We have a long way.
You are the boss. I am staying behind you.
We are a team. We run together today.
I like this feeling. I am moving my body.
Morning jogging is magic. It wakes up your soul.
Let us keep going. I am ready for more.
We are halfway now. 1 kilometer is finished.
My legs feel heavy. Can we stop for water?
Let us walk slowly. Do not stop completely now.
Thank you, Anna. I need a short break.
Here is some water. Drink only a small bit.
The water is cold. It tastes like life now.
Do you see the lake? It is very quiet today.
The water is blue. I want to swim there.
Not today, Max. Today we are only runners.
My breathing is normal now. I feel much better.
Ready to run again? We have 1 kilometer left.
Let us go. I am a strong man.
That is the spirit. Run with a big smile.
I am smiling. See? I am a happy runner.
Look at that dog. It is running very fast.
It is a golden dog. It is faster than me.
Dogs are natural runners. They have 4 fast legs.
I have only 2, but they are moving well.
Keep your elbows close. Move your arms like this.
I am moving my arms. It helps my balance.
The path is going up. This is a small hill.
A hill? Oh no, my legs are crying now.
Small hills are good. They make your heart strong.
I am pushing hard. My breath is very loud.
You are almost at the top. Just 10 more steps.
10, 9, 8. I am at the top.
Look at the view. You can see the city.
The city is sleeping, but we are awake here.
Now we go down. It is much easier now.
I love going down. I am flying like wind.
The finish line is near. Can you see the gate?
I see the gate. It is 500 meters.
Let us go faster now. This is a sprint.
I am giving my best. My speed is high.
You are very fast, Max. You are like a car.
I am a red car. I am very powerful.
Stay with me, Max. Do not stop until gate.
My lungs are burning, but I am not stopping.
Almost there now. 100 meters more today.
50 meters. I can feel the finish.
10 meters. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We did it. We are finally finished.
Great job, Max. You finished the whole run.
My legs are like jelly. I am sitting down.
No, do not sit yet. Walk for a few minutes.
My heart is singing a loud song.
That is a healthy song. You are a winner.
I am very sweaty. My shirt is very wet.
That is okay. You worked very hard today.
I feel very proud. I ran 2 kilometers.
Next week, we run 3. What do you think?
3 kilometers? You are a crazy girl, Anna.
You can do it. You are very strong.
Maybe after some rest and a big breakfast.
We will eat oatmeal and some fresh berries today.
Oatmeal sounds perfect now. I am very hungry.
Let us go home. We need a warm shower.
A shower is a dream, a warm, soapy dream.
You are a new man. I am happy for you.
Thank you, Anna. See you tomorrow at 6?
Look at your watch. How many minutes, Max?
It says 20 minutes. Is that a good time?
For the first time, yes, it is a great time.
My watch also says calories. I burned 200.
That is like 1 donut. You burned 1 donut.
I am happy about that. No donut in me.
We must check our pulse. Put fingers on neck.
My pulse is fast. It is do go go.
It will slow down soon. That is a recovery.
I like these statistics. They are very interesting today.
You can see your progress. Every day is a win.
I want to run faster. I want to be lean.
Just be patient, Max. Change takes some time.
I am more patient now. Yoga helped me with that.
Yoga and running are friends. They help the body.
I feel very flexible and fast, like a ninja.
A ninja in a gray t-shirt. I like it.
Tomorrow is a rest day. Can we go walking?
Yes, a long walk is good. It is active rest.
We can walk in the woods. There are no hills.
The woods are very peaceful. I love the silence.
My body needs the rest. My knees are tired.
Listen to your knees. They are very important, Max.
I will buy better socks. My socks are too thin.
Good socks protect your feet. Buy some thick ones.
I will go to the shop. I want professional gear.
You are a real athlete now. I am very impressed.
It is all because of you. You are my coach.
We are partners, Max. We motivate each other.
To our next run. I am ready for life.
Now we are home. Let us drink some tea.
I want some green tea. It is very healthy.
I am making it now. It smells like lemon.
My muscles feel very warm. It is a nice heat.
That is the blood flow. Your body is very happy.
I am checking the weather. Will it rain tomorrow?
The phone says sunny. No rain for 3 days.
That is good for us. I do not like mud.
Mud is difficult for running. You can slip and fall.
I want to stay safe. I want to be strong.
Eat your oatmeal now. It has many good grains.
This is very tasty. I am a hungry runner.
Add some walnuts, Max. They are good for focus.
I am adding 10 walnuts. They are very crunchy.
Perfect breakfast for a ninja. You are doing well.
I feel very smart today. My brain is very sharp.
Exercise helps the brain. It brings more oxygen there.
Is that why I am happy? My brain is full of air?
Not air, oxygen. It is a big difference.
Anyway, I feel like a king, a healthy king.
We have a long day. We have a lot of work.
I am ready for work. I have much energy.
Me too, Max. Running is the best start.
I will tell my boss. He should run too.
Maybe he can join us. The more, the better.
No, he is very slow. He is like a turtle.
Turtles are also cute, but we are faster.
We are the fastest team. Team Anna and Max.
Let us finish our tea. It is time for office.
To the office.
Let us be productive.
1 month is finished, Max. Look at the calendar.
30 days of jogging. I did not miss a day.
You are very disciplined. I am very proud of you.
My jeans are very loose. I need a new belt.
You lost many kilograms. Your face is very thin.
I feel very light, Anna. I can jump very high.
Show me your jump. Be careful with the lamp.
See? I am like a basketball player.
You are amazing, Max. You changed a lot.
My legs are very hard. They are like big stones.
Those are muscles, Max. You are a real athlete.
I can run 5 kilometers now without stopping once.
5 kilometers is a big win. You are a marathon man.
Not a marathon yet. Marathons are very, very long.
Step by step, Max, you are on the right path.
I am sleeping very well. No more bad dreams.
Sport is the best doctor. It cures many things.
I am never tired at work. I am always active.
Your boss is happy too. You are a top worker.
He is still a turtle, but I am a rabbit.
A very fast and healthy rabbit.
Let us buy new clothes. I need a smaller size.
We can go today. It is a reward for you.
A blue shirt for me and a dress for you.
A new running dress? That is a great idea.
We will be the most stylish runners in the whole city.
Style and health, Max. That is our new life.
I am very grateful, Anna. You are my best friend.
You are mine too, Max. Let us go for a walk.
To the shop. Let us enjoy our success.